In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send invoice from QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to complete the invoice so it looks professional and reaches your customer without a hitch. First, go to QuickBooks Online in your web browser and sign in. If you have access to more than one company, make sure you're in the correct company before you proceed. Give the page a second to load so all your sales features are ready. If you're a new user or your role is limited, you might need admin permissions to send invoices, so check that ahead of time if anything looks restricted. Next, look to the left navigation bar and click the Create menu. In some layouts, this appears as a new button with a plus icon. This is your shortcut to all the things you can make in QuickBooks: estimates, expenses, and of course, invoices. From that menu, choose Invoice. This opens the invoice form. Think of this as your workspace to tell your customer what they owe, why, and when it's due. At the top, pick the customer. QuickBooks will pull in save details automatically. If you're adding someone new on the fly, keep it simple for now. You can always complete their profile later. Confirm the invoice date and payment terms so the due date calculates correctly. QuickBooks usually assigns the next invoice number for you. Leave it as is unless your company follows a specific numbering convention. Now, fill in the requirements on the form. Add your products or services, include clear descriptions, and enter quantity, rate, and any discounts. If you charge sales tax, make sure the correct tax is applied. If your company tracks categories like class or location, set those so your reports stay accurate. Add a friendly message on the invoice to clarify scope, timelines, or thank the customer. You can attach supporting files like a statement of work or timesheet to give context. If online payments are enabled in your account, choose the payment methods you want to accept to make it easier for customers to pay. When everything looks good, click Review and Send. You'll see a preview of the email and the invoice your customer will receive. Double-check the recipient address, subject line, and the message to make sure it's clear and professional. If you want a record in your inbox, send a copy to yourself. When you're ready, send it. QuickBooks will mark the invoice as sent, and you can track its status in your sales or invoices list where you can view, resend, or record payments as they come in. That's it. Simple, accurate, and ready to get you paid faster.